Shooting with high ISOs will generally create more noise in your image. Lightroom has a noise reduction feature, however, be mindful that it will only get you so far if your image is very noisy to begin with. There are two types of noise. There's luminance noise, which shows up more like grain. And there's also color noise, which will give you speckled dots of red, green and blue. Lightroom automatically applies a little bit of color noise reduction to all raw images. Image 15 has more luminance noise, so that's what we're going to adjust here. There are three main sliders to reduce noise. The first slider, luminance, can be dragged to the right to increase the amount of noise reduction being applied. You'll notice if you drag it all the way to the right, things start to look very soft and a little bit plastic. To counteract this, back off the amount of luminance noise reduction and then try increasing the detail slider to get back some of the original detail. The last slider, contrast, will add back a small amount of contrast to your image. This is very subtle and requires a bit of practice to get the hang of it. You can compare the image with and without noise reduction by toggling the square switch at the top of the detail panel. Be aware that this will also toggle any sharpening, as this is also part of the same panel. Have a play yourself with reducing the noise in this image. As you'll see, it's always best to shoot your image with less noise to begin with, because it's very hard to restore all detail fully.